Hi everyone, CG here. The video you are about to watch is a clip from a live I did a few days ago. The goal was to take an image and try to reproduce the texture in Fluent Materializer. So enjoy it. This one looks really cool. So that's the effect that we want. Some kind of destroyed around the edges and cavities. I think for this one we will need 3 layers like we did before. Most of the time when you are making complex materials, you need 3 layers. If you want to add more details, and it also allows you to change the different layers and play with it. So you can adjust later if you want. So it's something more orangey, I think. Okay, so we have the base color. I saw on the example that we have some grain actually, big, very heavy grain. So layer, F cavity, boom. So we have something blue that is actually a little bit gray. Could be something like that. Hey, we're pretty close actually. Here, we can see more of it around here. I'm gonna obviously change this and add a grunge. Change the texture. Probably we can mix it with the edge mask. Edges up and lighten. I think I'm gonna duplicate this, and we're gonna add a little bit more of this gray color here, because the advantage of the grunge number 3 is that you can change here the coverage, so you can see here change pretty much everything. So we can make it just a little bit like that. And then we have more damaged parts like this, which is rusted actually. So it's like it went, the paint went away. How can we do that? We're gonna need like the same mask as the dirt one, but in some places we need to replace it with rust. So to do this, I think we can reuse this mask and then make some kind of mask of a mask. So it's gonna be a little bit more complex here, but I think it will be very interesting to try it out. Multiply. We can try it out. This one, but this one will be the multiply. And now we want to multiply this with something else. So probably grunge number 3, because this is the one that we have. It is the mask before, and here is the mask after the multiply. And the reason for that is this. So actually, if we play with the coverage here, we are able to play with the mask, and that's really cool. I didn't know it will work. That was first try for me, but it works as expected, so that's pretty cool. That's also the goal of this live, to experience different texturing and try new stuff. So that's very powerful Fluent Materializer, because you can add those layers here, here, and here, and it's pretty cool because you have your end material, and then let's say you say, okay, but now I want to make it like totally clean with no destroyed stuff. Then you can just remove here. You just need to detach every mask, and then this color variation, and you have total clean paints. So this is pretty cool, and it's very powerful. Here you can just change and tweak it, and say, like, say you're not really satisfied with this green stuff that you added here. I'm like, yeah, I don't know, maybe I will make one render with it and one without. You just unplug it, render, and then plug it again, and then you can compare more the big picture, if it adds something that you like or not. And that's the power of Fluent Materializer, pretty much. So that's it for this video. I'll let you watch this video that will give you 10 tips on how to make your texturing process faster and easier.